From today, I will never experience poverty. I will never experience failure. I speak out failure from my life, disappointment from my life. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I believe you are just fine. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use a sand, yes, dust or sand to turn things around you. Sand or dust has an hidden power. This is one of the weapons, powerful weapons the enemy uses to attack children of God. Sand or dust has a resurrecting and binding power. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can retalk every evil thing the enemy has spoken using the power of sand or dust. Ecclesiastes 12 verse 7 says it all. The power of sand is so mysterious. When an enemy uses sand or dust to perform wicked work against someone, the person will be under attack of the arrow of sand. Dust or sand are a very powerful weapon the enemy uses to attack people of God. He or she will stop progressing, like when you find yourself stop progressing all of a sudden. Afflictions here and there, marriage disruptions, you are married, all of a sudden your spouse will just start complaining on every little thing. Not getting married, business destruction here and there. One of the most powerful weapons used by wicked people is the sand and dust. This is real. Many people use the sand you step on to perform evil work against someone. They can speak poverty into it and it will start working. They can speak sickness into it and it will start working. This is one part of God that no one has fully understood. The mystery of power of sand and dust is so amazing. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use sand or dust to retalk every evil work of the enemy. This is very important, and this is a spiritual work. If you have been passing through disappointments, delays in different areas of your life, failures, disappointment in marriage, at the end of this video, you are going to learn a way to use sand or dust to turn things around. So guys, as I said earlier, sand here can carry out positive or negative instructions. If you speak to it negatively to hurt anyone, it can happen. If that person is not strong spiritually, yes. So as you are now, if the enemy tries to use this against you by speaking negatively into the sand, it will never hurt you. Cause can never befall you. If you are spiritually strong, if you understand the powers of sand, if you are using sand the right way, the enemy can never use dust or sand to perform evil work against you. As long as you are walking under the surface of the earth, evil people can use it against you. So it's very good to know how to use it to be able to stand firm and strong spiritually. So you have to get a bowl of water or a bucket of water just like this. So the first thing you have to do is to get the sand. You start praying over the sand. Speak positively into the sand. Anything you want it to perform, any instruction you want it. Pray against any evil work or arrow done by the enemy using sand or dust. If you are experiencing failure, poverty, disappointment by men or rejection, you have to be speaking into the sand. From today, I will never experience poverty. I will never experience failure. I speak out failure from my life, disappointment from my life. So if you want to succeed in your business, in whatever thing you are doing, you start speaking into the sand. So after speaking all you want, financial breakthrough, all good things, good health, above all, good health and long life, you just have to take some amount of it like this. Add into your bath water or a bowl. If you want to sprinkle it all around the house, you just have to, add it into some amount of water and be speaking good things into it. As you are adding it like this, I shall not fail in life. I shall not be a failure. I will succeed in whatever thing I do. Good health, prosperity, protection, no more sickness. Start speaking positively. as you put it into the water. First thing you have to do is to first bathe with soap and water, ordinary water. Sponge your body, you rinse with ordinary water that you didn't add sand in it. After bathing thoroughly, okay, then you just have to start using this to wash your body. Just use it to rinse. Start using the water to bathe, to have your bath. Start from your face or from your head down to your toes. Okay? Do not start from down up. Just pour from up down, from up down. After that, you don't need to towel dry, okay? Do not use a towel. Just allow your body to dry naturally. So after doing so, you just have to step out from the bathroom. Okay, remember, as you have your bath, you have to be praying, speaking out sickness, speaking out troubles from everywhere. You just have to sprinkle it around your house. You want protection, you want God's protection around the house. You want the angel of God to always cover the house, to always protect everyone living in the house. You just have to be sprinkling it, just the four corners of the house. This is spiritual and you have to take it seriously. So after that, you just have to pour out the remaining one, anyhow you want to dispose it. But make sure you mix it very well before having your bath. So you just have to do it the right way. Break every curses, every evil spells, and get yourself back. Because the wishes of God are of good and not of evil. So whenever you see yourself, not progressing, not behaving well, just know that it's the work of the evil ones. They can use anything created by God to harm one. You want to retop the mouth of the evil ones, use the power of sand or dust. You see it manifesting positively into your life. So I believe you enjoyed this video and I hope you find it helpful. If you do find it helpful, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more helpful videos. Alright, so I'll see you in my next video.